Hello guys, and welcome back once again to the Asian channel. And today we are going to talk about India plans to buy a 156 indigenously made Prachand light combat helicopter, or LCH, a move that could boost further the country's defense industry through this big order. This is still part of Prime Minister Modi's Make in India initiative. The goal is to achieve self-reliance in defense and indigenous production of weapon systems. The Indian Ministry of Defense has already sent the request for proposal to the manufacturer of the LCH Prachand, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, for a 156 light combat helicopter. The initial plan is that 90 helicopters would be given to the Army, and 66 will be used by the Indian Air Force. This is a huge boost for the LCH Prachand program if the deal pushes through, because until now there has been just only 15 helicopters produced since 2010. HAL plans to produce all 156 helicopters in the next 5 to 6 years according to them. The current low number of the Prachand light combat helicopter are stationed at the Siachen base camp along the eastern border with China. They plan to increase these numbers in the future and also deploy them in the northern and eastern border with Pakistan and China. The LCH Prachand is India's first indigenous-made light combat helicopter with potent capabilities. The helicopter is capable of desert and mountain operations as requirements set by the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army. The helicopter has maximum flight ceiling of 21,000 feet, maximum range of 700 kilometers. It has a maximum speed of 288 miles per hour or 463 kilometers per hour. It has maximum takeoff weight of 5,800 kilograms, maximum payload capacity of 1,750 kilograms of ammunition and bombs. The LCH Prachand is powered by the Turbo Mecha turboshaft engine from the French company Safran. Hindustan Limited was given license to manufacture the engine locally. The engine produces 1,032 kilowatts of power, producing 1,384 horsepower for the engine. For armament, it has one 20mm M621 autocannon that can fire 800 rounds per minute. It can also carry rockets, air-to-air missile, air-to-ground anti-tank missiles, precision-guided munitions, cluster munitions, and unguided bombs. For avionics, it is powered by Elbit Systems from Israel, and for optoelectronic suite, Sweden Saab provides radar and laser warning system. While each unit costs around $17 million, the Prachand is designed to replace their aging Russian Mi-25 and Mi-35 helicopters. India especially needs a quick-response light combat helicopter in desert and mountainous areas near the border of China and Pakistan that can provide quick and immediate response once a small fight or armed conflict in the border of Pakistan and China erupt. They need something that can immediately support the troops stationed there. The continued improvement of the program could even help the helicopter to be more capable in the future, and it could potentially increase the possibility of finally an Indian-made helicopter or fighter jet sold into the export market, like LCA Tejas and the LCH Prachand. Like the Tejas, there has been a few countries that should interest a locally Indian-made light combat helicopter, like Nigeria and Argentina. India also aggressively pitched the LCA Tejas and LCH Prachand to African countries, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. But so far, there's no buyer. But this shouldn't have stopped India for trying, though.